Hi guys, welcome to my channel Walls and Kitsch. Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful candle holders. And it's such a pretty decor to decorate and light up your coffee table, side table or any part of your house for this Christmas. Let's have a look on what all we need for this project. Okay, so we need fishing bowl or glass bowl from Dollar Tree. I also had a wine glass from Dollar Tree and I decided to decorate it in the same way. You can also use the same fishing bowl or any other glass bowl instead of the wine glass. Crushed glass decorative fillers. I got it from Michael's store. I guess for about $3. Glue, white glue or Mod Podge. Dollar Tree silver plastic beads, silver plastic bowl. You get 4 for $1 from the party section of the Dollar Tree, and one brush to apply glue on the bowl. Water is not at all required. Here what I did, I mixed glue with a few drops of water, but it's better to apply glue directly on the bowl. See, it shouldn't be watery like this. I'm taking more glue and in fact it's better to pour glue directly on the bowl. It has to be very sticky. Now it's ready for the first layer of our crushed glass. Here it goes. Let it sit for a few seconds and then move on to another portion. Keep repeating it portion by portion until you cover the entire bowl with a layer of crushed glass. Let it dry for 2 hours before applying the second coat of crushed glass. Now I'll keep it for drying and I'll work on my wine glass the same way. Okay, now it's time to apply our second and the final coat of crushed glass. Here I'm doing it. Apply a lot of glue all over and then crushed glass. Similarly, we'll apply the second coat on our wine glass as well and let it dry for 2 hours. Here's how it looks after drying. I have already separated big chunks from my crushed glass and now I'm gluing it on my bowl and my wine glass with the help of glue gun. Just glue it wherever you feel like. This makes it more sparkly and glittery. You'll see the difference later. Now let's work on the base of our decors. I'm gonna glue my wine glass on the top of my silver plastic bowl. And this gonna give my decor a secured base. Secured and beautiful base. I'll glue silver beads around the base of the wine glass and it's gonna make it more pretty. This is how I'm doing it. Similarly, glue the fishing bowl on the top of silver plastic bowl. And this is the final look. Isn't it pretty? You can decorate your entrance, coffee table, side table, any part of your house and even use in weddings. Thank you so much guys for watching and I really hope you like my video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Bye bye guys, I'll see you soon with a new recipe and a new home decor DIY.